The Earth's inner core has been losing heat since its formation. Per billion years, it cools by around 100 degrees Celsius, but maintaining a scorching temperature of over 6,000 degrees. Of course, no one has ever reached the center of the Earth due to the intense heat, which prevents any exploration. If it cooled down a little, we might be able to see what's inside our planet and whether our predictions about the Earth were correct. But what if the Earth's core went cold? Would life still be possible? Numerous factors on Earth contribute to the survival of life, including our geomagnetic field. It shields us from all forms of space radiation, including highly charged particles regularly emitted by the sun, and preserve our atmosphere, a necessary component for life as we know it. Surprisingly, this magnetic shield created by the Earth's core. As the Earth rotates, the inner solid core and outer liquid core move at different speeds, creating electric currents that form our geomagnetic field. If the Earth's core cools, electric currents will stop flowing, resulting in the end of our magnetic field. Earth would lose its atmosphere and start to resemble Mars. In such a harsh environment, survival would be dependent on pressure suits and oxygen masks, as the lack of a breathable atmosphere would leave humans screaming for air. Furthermore, the Earth would become increasingly cold as the frozen core would no longer heat rocks, water, gas, and other geological stuff. In contrast, volcanic eruptions would stop, continental drift would come to a standstill, and earthquakes would vanish totally. Inhabiting such an Earth would be unsustainable for any lengthy period of time. However, it would provide a good mimic of life on Mars. Perhaps there will be a window of opportunity to evacuate, board a spacecraft, and leave our dying planet before it is completely destroyed. However, those tempted to stay behind in a mission to drill the Earth's core should be discouraged, as such an attempt carries no promise but danger. Even if the core lost all of its heat, the pressure would remain inconceivably high, exceeding the Earth's surface pressure by a startling 3.5 million times. Entering into such an environment will surely result in compression, fusing one's essence with the core of the Earth. Evidently, it appears that the planet's core would benefit from remaining as heated as it is now. Perhaps drilling through the Earth isn't the best idea either. But that's the topic for another What If video. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.